or date, followed by subject, followed by presence of verb. इसके some examples को देख लेते हैं. Question example 1 is Mary going to school today? ये आपका auxiliary है. Mary is subject, going is the verb. Since it is present, it's the present moment question, so it's is Mary going to school today, and this is the first simple form of verb. Was Mary sick yesterday? Again, was refers to an auxiliary in the past tense. Mary is subject, sick is verb, and yesterday refers to the past day. Example 3, have you seen this movie before? Have is an auxiliary reflecting a simple present perfect tense. You is subject, seen is verb, this movie before. Will the committee decide on the proposal today? Will is an auxiliary followed by the committee, which is subject. Decide is verb, and then rest is just the complement, or it's the modifier actually on the proposal, and today is the modifier which tells you the modifier of the time. Another example is, do you want to use the telephone? So do again refers to, and it's an auxiliary, one of this. You is the subject, want is verb, and the rest is the complement of the subject.